living, positivity, and lifestyle. In today's video, we are just going to be unboxing an Ipsy bag, and we do this every single month, so let's get into it. This is the bag that we're getting this month for the month of June. No, I actually do like it. I think it's cute. But let's dig into the products. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is Best Face Forward, a gentle cleanser to remove grime and fight bacteria deep within pores, banishing blackheads and leaving skin squeaky clean. That sounds nice. BHA aloe vera finger lime green tea. So those are the things that are in it. Some of the things. I bet there's more than that. Yeah. The first ingredient is water. I like getting new cleansers to try out because it doesn't hurt. My skin isn't super sensitive except when I am about to start my period. So other than that, my skin is pretty calm and clear. And then right before and then during, I just break out. It sucks. Okay, so just a basic little cleanser. Good for traveling probably because it's tiny. Oh, the card, do you? Again, doesn't have anything about the products. I wish that it did because I liked when they told us about the products, like what it was good for and then how much it costs, because that's good information to have. So the next thing is from Mud Masky, or Mud Masky, I don't know. Puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, swelling. I'm literally gonna start using this today and I will tell you guys if that's true. But yeah, I always love a good under eye serum, but I guess, is this a mask? It says serum infused eye mask. Okay, so it says after 12 uses, the skin will visibly be less dark and less sunken. Smells a bit funky because your skin around the eyes hates perfume, but loves the antioxidants of premium Japanese matcha tea. I don't know, I guess I'll use it every day and let you guys know because I'm curious. You guys will see because literally it's like I have bags. YC collection, Let Me First. Primer. It's a primer. I've never heard of this brand. Let's have a look at the package. Looks the same as the outer package. Silicone-free filling primer refines the appearance of pores and smooths the skin, hydrates and brightens the complexion, maintains a matte appearance while ensuring that skin stays moisturized. Okay, so that's cool. I've been like slowly getting into primers, so hopefully it's a good one because I don't know much about primers if I'm being honest, but I really love makeup, so if I can find a way to like look better or like make my makeup apply better, especially now that I'm getting older, which I know like I'm still in my 20s, but like I don't know. But yeah, I will let you guys know what I think of the primer. I've been using the one from the last box that I got, and I mean, it's pretty good so far. Okay, so the next thing is from Tarte. We love getting like name brand things. So it's called Hydra Clear Concealer. I wonder what shade it's in. I hope that it's light enough to be a good under eye concealer. Well, maybe. I could try it and see how it works out. Yeah, that looks pretty light on my skin. Right now I like to use one that's a little bit lighter than my current skin color. And then I put one that's like super light. I just put like 2 dots and then I blend it out. And I think that looks really nice for me. I'll try it out, I guess, and I'll let you guys know if it's too dark or for what. Maybe like if I tan, it'll be good for like covering dark spots. It's hard to find like good shades, good products for those things, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, so the very last thing is from Apt2 Skincare Pomegranate Moisturizer, lightweight, revitalizing, plumping. I actually really like kind of enjoy the plumping look. No pore clogging, just lots of smooth, plump skin ready for makeup or not. And I'll see if it's a product that actually works and then I'll let you guys know. And that's everything that was in this bag. Don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad. Don't forget to also like the video, give it a fat thumbs up because it would mean a lot to me. And let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see as far as like apartments, lifestyle, places in Denver, things to do. I got you. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Fearless.